Smart Kids, something bad has happened.
Harry, what did you do?
I spent all my money on sweets, and now I have nothing left.
Harry, that's exactly why we need to talk about saving versus spending.
So I shouldn't have bought 27 bags of Jelly Babies?
Absolutely not.
Let's learn how to avoid the Jelly Baby disaster.
Hi, I'm Nia.
And I'm Hari, professional sweet eater.
And together,
we are SmartKidsMoney. This is where we learn about money in fun, silly, super smart ways.
And today's big question is...
what is the difference between saving and spending? And how to avoid being broke by lunchtime.
Harry. Okay, Harry, let's start simple. Spending means using your money now.
Like when I traded all my coins for Jelly Babies.
Yes. When you spend, your money goes bye-bye.
Goodbye, money. I loved you.
But saving is different. Saving means keeping your money for later.
Ooh, future money.
Exactly. When you save, your money sits safely until you need it.
Or until you want something bigger, like a video game or a dinosaur.
Harry, dinosaurs are not for sale.
You don't know that.
Imagine you have £5. You could spend it all on sweets today.
Obviously an excellent choice.
Or you could save it. Save £5 4 times and boom!
£20? Enough for a video game. And video games last much longer than sweets.
Exactly. Saving lets your money grow so you can buy bigger, better things.
So spending is like eating everything in one go.
And saving is like keeping some for later, so you don't run out.
I learned that the hard way.
You really did.
I miss them already.
Harry, that's not the point.
I know the future me will be grateful if I save my money.
Right. Smart kids balance saving and spending. A little bit now, a little bit later.
So I can enjoy sweets today and save for a big toy tomorrow.
Exactly.
I like this. This is balanced. This is sensible. This is completely new for me.
I'm proud of you, bro. Okay, smart kids. Question for you.
Imagine you have £5.
Would you spend it all on sweets?
Or save it for something bigger, like a £20 video game.
What would you choose?
Now speak with your grown-up at home and tell them why you made the choice to save or spend.
Either choice is fine, as long as you think about it first.
And don't buy 27 bags of Jelly Babies.
Definitely don't do that. Amazing job today, smart kids.
You learned the difference between spending now
and saving from later.
Smart money masters keep a balance between the two.
If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button and subscribe.
And tell your friends too, especially the ones who love sweets.
Harry!
Be smart, kids. Be SmartKidsMoney.